This is my project in science quarter 4. So what you're gonna need is chalks and a hammer, a piece of cloth, a container, and then an acidic vinegar. So first we're gonna put down our things, especially when it's glass because it might break. So the first thing you need to do is grab a chalk and put it in the cloth and wrap it. And put your clothes with the chalk in it and smash it with the hammer, but be extra careful while using the hammer. And then when you open the cloth, you can see the changes by looking at it, because it has changed and it looks like a powder. As you can see the changes and the texture too. In here you have to get a container, the acidic vinegar, a piece of chalk, and then open the vinegar and then put it on the container, and then put the chalk in it. As you can see, there's no hole in the chalk. As you can see the bubble and the hole, there are 2 holes. It didn't affect too much, but it did made some little changes. So this is the things I made: the crushed chalk. As you can see, there's so many crushed. It made a lot of changes, and the texture too. And this one, the vinegar with chalk in it, didn't really affect too much, but it's okay. As you can see in here,
Found it using a hammer. After pounding the piece of chalk with a hammer, and this is the result. Set up B, get another piece of chalk and pour the vinegar on it. Observe what will happen. After a few seconds, there are bubbles forming.
Does egg float on water? Watch this video to find out if it does. As you can see, I'm pouring water in 2 separate cups. And then I'm gonna add salt in the other cup. A lot of salt. And then we mix it until it dissolves. As you can see, it already dissolved in the water. And then we add egg in the regular cup that is filled with water. It sink, and the other one that is salty, it floated. Adding salt to water makes the water denser. As the salt dissolves in the water, it adds more weight to the water. This makes the water denser and allows the egg to float on the surface that would sink in fresh water.